morning students. I am Vipul Tiwari, PGT Physics here in our school Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, right? So in today's lecture we are going to discuss some elementary things about our very first chapter of class 9th, which is motion, right? So here in this chapter we will see what is motion, what are its types, and some various things like velocity, speed, acceleration, etc. Okay. So first of all, let us discuss motion first. Okay. So when I see motion, you must think about something which is moving with respect to time, right? So absolutely, this is called motion. Anything which changes its position with respect to time is said to be in motion. Okay. We see various things like a moving body, or actually a moving vehicle on the road, right? We see that this vehicle at this point of time is at this place, and after some seconds we see this vehicle again, we see that this vehicle is now at this position, right? So we have seen that this vehicle have changed its position with respect to time, then we can say that the vehicle is in motion, right? Okay. Then we have to come on the next topic, that is types of motion. Okay. So there are merely two types of motion. The very first one is uniform motion and the second one is non-uniform motion. Okay. So when we talk about uniform motion, so this is the motion in which any object, any particle, when covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then we can say that the body is in uniform motion. Okay. Example, think about something which covers equal distances in every equal interval of time. We can think about of any planet like Earth rotating around the sun. Actually, if we go deep in the physics of the planetary motion, then we see that this motion is actually not uniform. But if we think the orbit is circular, if we think the orbit is elliptical, then obviously it is non-uniform motion. But up to class 9th, we think that the motion of planets around its star or sun is circular, and we know that Earth spins on its axis in every 24 hours. So we see that this interval of time, that is 24 hours, is equal for every day, and Earth completes one spin in this period of time. Then the rotation of Earth is the example of uniform motion, and if we take the complete revolution, we know that Earth complete its one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours, right? So this time is also uniform for every year, then its revolution is also uniform. Okay. And this rotating fan at any constant voltage, okay, this can also be the example of uniform motion. Now if we talk about non-uniform motion, the definition here emerges out as any object which covers unequal distances in equal interval of times, then we can say that the body is performing non-uniform motion, right? Example, anything. If we depart for the market from our house, we see that if we got the empty road, we speed up our vehicle, right, our motorbike, and if we see that there is a traffic, there are many other obstacles, things on the road, then we slow down our speed. Sometimes we apply brake, we actually makes our speed absolutely zero, and sometimes our bike's speedometer showing us speed like 50 km per hour, 60 km per hour, 70 km per hour, sometimes it is 25 km per hour. So we are seeing that at every instant of time we are changing the speed of our bike, and hence the bike is performing non-uniform motion, because if we take a fixed intervals of our journey, if we break our journey into some fixed intervals, then we will see that the distances covered in every intervals comes out to be different, and hence the motion of this bike will be non-uniform motion. Okay, so this was our small topic of motion. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.